difference between will and shall. The difference between will and shall is subtle and has evolved over time, particularly in modern English. Use of will. Future actions. Example: she will call you later. They will visit us next weekend. Promises. Example: I will always support you. You will get your reward soon. Predictions. Example: it will rain tomorrow. This decision will affect everyone. Determination. Example: I will finish this task no matter what. He will succeed because he is very determined. Use of shall. Formal or legal obligations. Example: the company shall provide health insurance to all employees. Students shall submit their assignments by the due date. Offers or suggestions polite. Example: shall I open the window? Shall we begin the meeting? Formal promises or assurances. Example: we shall ensure that this never happens again. I shall return your book tomorrow. Asking for instructions. Example: shall I wait here or come back later? Shall we order the food now? Summary. Will is more common, straightforward, and versatile, used for future actions, intentions, promises, and predictions. Shall carries a formal tone and is often reserved for legal contexts, formal promises, or polite suggestions offers. Subscribe for more videos.